And in this video, we join Thoresby with Spike, and he's in his John Deere tractor with a Vicon drill, and he's drilling sugar beet.
So I am just going to ask a couple of animals, if they want to, well, let's just see. Do you want to go to Thoresby? Do you? Do you want to go on the farm? In the boot? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, Mama Sheeny. I'd take that as a yes. Let's go.
So we are loaded up. And we are off to Thoresby. Here we are. We've arrived with Spike. And he is in his John Deere. And he has the sugar beet drill on the back. Let's have a closer look. And the drill that Spike's got is a Vicon Unicorn, and it is an 18-row drill. Each one of these individual hoppers is where the sugar beet loads, and Spike has loaded that one on. And that is the press wheel at the front. We've got a tungsten tip coulter here, and the seed will come out there. That is another press wheel. They're the seed covers. So that brings some soil in, and then we've got the press fingers at the back. On each end of the drill are the markers, and then Spike follows the centre of his bonnet down where that marker point has been left in the ground. And on the front of the tractor he's got a row crumbler, which just gives a nice seedbed before he passes with the drill. And Spike has now got his stickers on for his wife and daughter on the front of the tractor, Katie Jane. Here it comes. She's a tight fit into the field with the 18 rows on. Now Spike's got to do an AB line first for the GPS, so he will basically go up and down one of the headlands to set that, and then that will tell him on the computer the exact, because it knows the working width of the implement is on, it will then set up where he goes. So if you look down now, the wheels aren't moving because Spike has already drilled the headland. There they go, now they kick off, so then the seed starts to come in. So the computer system on the tractor for the drill knows exactly where he's already been. Up the crumbler comes, and then up the drill will come. Now, if we have a look along here, you'll see that row 1 is drilling, but row 2 isn't drilling, and that is because Spike is putting in a tram line. And as well as that, if I move over to number 6, there you can see the same there, but yet 7 and the others are all drilling. So that's the tram lines for the tractors to come into the fields when they're working. Now, a few people have asked while I've been at Thoresby, why are they using the markers when they have GPS? So they do have GPS, but in this area there are a lot of trees and it can drop in and out. So with the markers, whether they're doing the bed forming ridging or drilling, it means they've still got something that they can use to follow in the tractor. So while Spike is at the far top of the field, I'm going to let the dogs out, take them for a quick wander. Come on then, this way. They found an old little sugar beet. It looks like either that or it's a potato. What you got? Up come the crumbler and the drill, and you will see the marker raise over as well. So let us know in the comments, have you ever seen sugar beet being drilled? What kit have you used? What kit have you seen? Leave a comment below and let us know. Spike has just dropped these 2 markers in, number 2 and 6, for when the sprayman comes. He will use this as the first run up and he will work across from that.
Is that the first time you've seen sugar beet being drilled? Let us know in the comments. And if you have seen it, what kind of kit was being used? I'll also, just in case you've not seen it, I will also put a link to the onion drilling and preparation that I filmed a few weeks ago. We got the ripping through the land with the Fendt 1050, then we got the bed forming, the ridging, then destoning, and onto the drilling. So I'll do a little bit of a video from Thoresby. As well as that, I got to see a monster of a 40 cube tanking setup, and that was a Vervet operating with Hislop and Sons at a customer called Rockscape. I'll also put a link to that. They were applying liquid digestate onto cereal crop, and that is a monster, and yeah, some kit to see. All there is left for me to do is thank you once again for watching, and I will see you on that next video.